Look at this comparison. On the left, the agent is caught in an error loop, paralyzed by conflicting tools. On the right, we've restricted its toolset to the essentials, completing the exact same task without interruption. We're setting up Hermes Agent version 0.17.0, and to reach that level of stability, we're going to install it using the blank slate method. This philosophy is simple. By stripping the agent down to a minimal toolkit, you eliminate the decision fatigue that causes most local AI models to fail. Before you start the installer, check your system for Git. This is a mandatory prerequisite. If it's not installed yet, the process will fail. Mastering this minimalist approach allows you to move past unreliable AI experiments and build a local workspace you can actually depend on for professional tasks. Navigate to the Nous Research site and locate the Hermes desktop section. You'll find official installers for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Download the one that matches your specific operating system. To power the agent, you'll use a News Portal subscription. This gives you a single login that provides access to over 300 different AI models. Once the installer finishes, open your native terminal application. Type Hermes Login into the prompt and press Enter to authenticate. After you see the success message, you must completely restart your terminal. This ensures all core system changes are active before you launch the app. By authenticating directly in the terminal, you create a persistent local connection, meaning you won't have to deal with browser-based logins as you work. Launch the Hermes Agent app and create a new profile. When the setup options appear, bypass the quick and full options and click the blank slate card. Now we need to manually disable the distracting features. Open the Active Tools configuration menu to see the default capabilities. Scan the list and confirm that web search, browser, vision, and memory are all toggled off. For this minimal setup, only two core capabilities should remain enabled: file operations and terminal. Restricting the agent to local file manipulation prevents it from getting lost in internet searches or memory loops when it should be focused on executing your code. Let's test the setup. Open a new chat window and ask the agent to create a single HTML page for an SEO ROI calculator, specifying the data inputs you need in plain English. As it begins to work, click the Open Live window icon. You can drag the pane border to the left to see the internal processing. This window displays the background subagents. These processes handle the heavy execution tasks while keeping your main chat free for you to continue working. When the generation is complete, open the file in your code editor. You'll see a cleanly formatted HTML skeleton populated with the logic you requested. With fewer tools to navigate, the agent executes targeted coding and file generation with significantly higher precision than a bloated default setup. If a new task eventually requires more power, go to the Skills Hub. Search for the specific tool you need, like web search, and click Enable to activate it. This local-first approach also applies to the agent's memory. Rather than using hidden cloud storage, it stores information in files you can actually see. Open your local directories and find the Agent OS memory folder. You'll see standard text and markdown files where the agent writes its long-term context. You can ask the agent to save structured data here, such as a 30-day learning roadmap. The agent generates a markdown file with interactive checkboxes so you can track your progress. Because memory consists of simple local files, you retain ultimate control. You can manually edit, update, or delete the agent's context whenever you want. This setup also works natively with your system apps. You can send a task directly through Apple iMessage and receive your files or summaries back instantly. Even with a stable setup, you may eventually encounter a system error. If that happens, there is a standard protocol to follow. Open your terminal and type Hermes Doctor. This runs a full diagnostic sweep of your environment. Look for any red markings in the output. If a variable like Hermes Home is missing, the tool provides the exact instructional text you need to fix the path. Having these built-in diagnostics eliminates the guesswork from maintaining your local environment, ensuring the system remains robust as you add more tools. By bypassing the standard overloaded defaults, you've built an AI agent that is distraction-free and highly reliable. The blank slate method ensures that your file outputs are cleaner and that the agent no longer stalls due to tool conflict errors. Now that your environment is stable, you can start using the agent to build custom tools or generate complex project roadmaps. If you want to skip the manual configuration and download a pre-built OS directory, you can find the complete zip file via the AI Profit Boardroom link. By taking control of the local environment and limiting the toolset, you've moved beyond standard chatbots and built a dedicated, functional workspace that responds directly to your prompts.